Dancing in the water. Bebo. Very sexy dance. Try natin mag 100 viewers. Very hot.
You do?
No, just the
Ah.
coffee.
No, I'm saying you've got 100 viewers.
Not yet. Very hot. Hola, mi amor. Nahubang latbi dako ang latbi. Oh. Hola, mi amor.
Alam mi amor.
Na? Nahubang ratbu.
Nahupa, rapu.
Ba yan?
Food.
What else?
Takua, rapu.
Like that? You still don't know, ha?
Takua ang.
So, may amor na ba na latbi? Nandito kami sa swimming pool area at the moment. Happy Sunday to all of you, mi amor. Kasi meron kaming injury nila, ratbo. So, just did a few laps lang. Public pool to, mi amor. But 50 meters pool.
And 25.
And there's a 25 meters too. So hot naman na coffee.
Food's ready.
Okay. And the coffee shop is there, mi amor, na hubang latbi. So, pa-shoutout naman dako ang latbi. Hello. Sobrang, ano naman ng ni Ratbo. So tight. Grabe yung mga swimmer dito, may amor na uba na latbi. Mga manggagaling. Kung nakakita niyo yung mga swimmer. Ba yung cellphone nila? Latbi plus Ratbo equals Bembang. Ay, may amor. Shout out sa inyo. Ganun nyo naman magising. Hello. Kasi, you sit here in the shade.
I want to sit in the sun though.
I want to sit
Yeah.
sa...
Nice and warm.
Okay.
this. So you can stir your coffee, cool it down a bit.
Okay.
Serviettes.
you.
One for you, one for me.
You didn't know there's a bacon, wrap bacon in egg.
I wasn't really looking. And then you said that. I
Yeah.
got very excited.
And I said, bacon and egg wrap. Mm.
Mmm. Very nice.
Still a bit hot.
Some?
Okay, thank you. I'm fine, mi amor, nahubang latbi. Kakatapos lang namin nag-swimming nga ni Ratbull. Public pool pero may may entrance fee. Ah. Lamig. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, there's with tomato.
Yeah.
Ah. Relax time lang kami. Ni Ratbu.